I just wet the sponge and it turned the water pink. Wow, that feels terrible. Why are these literally paintbrushes? Why is there nothing coming off? It's kind of shapeless and I kind of look like a blob, but it's also kind of cute, right? Like, I need to know if there's actually hidden gems at the dollar store. I want to say that nothing that I got was actually $1. Every one of these products was at least $2, which is crazy because it's the dollar store, okay? Why am I paying $4 for a freaking product? I just have a whole bag of products right here. The goal here today is that I can create a look that actually looks kind of bomb. And if I can find just one product that I would use again, like that is a win. I spent a total of $40 for this video. I would like to get something out of it, so I'm gonna try to create like a whole look. I found this scarf. Like, this pink is actually really cute. It's an infinity scarf. I'm gonna see if I can like wrap this around my top to see if I can like create some kind of shirt with that, because that would be pretty cool. I also got some silver earrings. It'll probably make my ear turn green, but we can try them. Ooh, I got some brushes for $3.50. I got myself a little beauty blender too. Ooh, and some headbands. I want to see if I can wear this white one with my look after, and that might be a look, let me tell you. Okay, I actually got a lot of stuff. I bought these like a week ago, so I don't even remember what I bought. But anyway, let's get started. Oh, this is a very tiny sponge. That is literally puny. I'm gonna put on this headband right now. I mean, it's a headband. It's cute, it's a look, you know? And it goes with the white. Cute. I might try to use it to keep my hair out of my face. Gonna wet this sponge. Okay guys, what the fuck? I just wet the sponge and it turned the water pink. Guys, I kid you not, there's pink on my towel now after drying this. It's also still tiny. Like, it did not grow after wetting it. We'll see how this goes. I'm kind of scared now to use this on my face. I also have very sensitive skin. Let me include that. So if I get hives from this, okay, so we're gonna start with foundation. This is the foundation that I picked up. It was impossible to find if this was my shade or not. I mean, obviously you can't test it. It's the dollar store. That's the foundation. Oh, I don't know about that. I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand. It's not really a shade match. It's very, very yellow. Wow, that feels terrible. Okay, yeah, I just like looked at it. You can literally see the pink sponge mixed in with the foundation. I don't know if the camera is gonna be able to pick that up, but like I can literally see specks of the pink sponge on my face. So maybe I'll just like use my hands on this side. I can definitely see why this is $1. $2 actually. Fucking rip off. Oh, actually I forgot. I got a brush. I don't know if that's gonna do anything. There's no like density to it, you know? Like, it's so flimsy, my god. Well, it's doing a better job than the sponge though. Let me try the forehead. Okay, I mean, it could be worse. It could be worse. The shade is actually not like super far off once it's blended. Okay, now that it's blended, why am I not super mad at that foundation? They did not have concealer at this dollar store. I looked really hard, could not find any concealer, so sorry about that, guys. But they did have a pressed powder. Okay, but the foundation like smells really bad and I can still smell it. So I'm just gonna, is that doing anything? Let me try using the brush. Okay, I think that did a little something. I mean, I'm not super mad. Even up close in the mirror, it doesn't look that bad. What the fuck? Wait, that is crazy. This is actually shocking me. Powder was pretty good. I don't know if it'll do anything for like longevity, but let's see. They even had a brow pencil. Wait, it's like a retractable one too. Wait, why do I feel like this is gonna be good? Wait. Stop. Tell me that kind of doesn't fucking eat. It's actually good. Like, the color is perfect. Did I just do that with a $2 brow pencil? You're joking me. Wait, that's so good. I actually can't believe that. Wow, I'm very impressed so far. If I end up looking good after this, I'm gonna be kind of upset because these makeup brands should not be charging freaking $50 when this $2 shit does the same thing. Okay, so I'm gonna do my eyeshadow now. I got this little mini palette. So what I was thinking, because this palette doesn't have like a light brown shade, which is what I need for blending, so I'm gonna blend with the bronzer shade and then mix that with the eyeshadows. This is the bronzer. Why are these literally paintbrushes? No, cause what the fuck is that shape? The thing is, the brush just sucks. Like I can't. Okay, why does my eye kind of hurt? I'm gonna be so mad if this gives me an eye infection. Yeah, that is not working. I cannot use that brush. So I'm gonna blend it with my fingers. That does not look bad. I'm gonna use this brush for under my eye. I'm gonna move on to this eyeshadow. Okay, that pink is really calling to me, not gonna lie. I'm gonna go in with this packing brush. I'm just gonna take this bottom brown shadow and kind of just... It's kind of pigmented. Why is that not bad at all? I've literally used drugstore eyeshadow that's less pigmented and patchier than this. Guys, that's insane! Like, the brushes are absolutely ass, but the makeup? I really want to use this pink, so I'm just gonna use my finger and put it in the front. Are you kidding me? You cannot tell me that doesn't look good. That is crazy, bro. I'm gonna put some of that pink under my eye because it's so gorge. Why am I mad at this? Eyeliner. It's not super black. I mean, it's not good, but it's not bad. It's something. They had an eyelash curler. It kind of feels not bad. So let me just try to curl my lashes with that. I'm low-key terrified that I'm gonna like take out all my lashes. I'm not gonna go too crazy with this because like I already only have like 5 eyelashes to begin with, so I'm holding on to those bad boys, okay? I don't wanna lose them in this. I'm gonna go in with this waterproof mascara. Extreme volume. We'll see about that. Wow, that smells like straight up chemicals. Why is there nothing coming off? Hello? There's like no product on this one. That is like the worst mascara payoff I've ever seen. Okay, I think this is actually the worst mascara I've ever used. I actually kind of had high hopes for this because a lot of drugstore mascaras are freaking bomb. Like Essence makes like $4 mascaras that are a bomb. This sucks. Yeah, no, like literally nothing's happening. Like my non-existent lashes are still non-existent, which is a problem. Okay, that's enough. That's literally all I can do. I did like 5 coats, okay? And this is a flop. So I'm gonna do blush now. So I only have one big brush, so I'm gonna use this for this step as well. I'm gonna go in with that blush. Maybe I should have done bronzer first. Whatever. Oh my goodness, that is a lot more pigmented than I thought it was gonna be. That is like way too much. You definitely need to like dab some of it off before putting it on your face. Did she kind of eat or what? She's kind of cute. What the freak, guys? Look at this. She's cute. She's cutie. I'm gonna go in with the bronzer and add some warmth back into my face. Oh, excuse me. Oh, okay. I see you, Viva Color. She's not bad. She is not bad at all. I got a lipstick. It's a cute little pink glittery shade. It's called Glitterati. That's her. Kind of cute, the packaging. That's what it looks like. Let's see. She's pinker than I thought. It's not bad for sure. Not really a color I would go for. I think it's a little too light for me, but... So my last step, I'm gonna be going in with this set of 6 lip glosses. 4 lip glosses for $6. I can only imagine what it's gonna feel like. I already know it's gonna feel like freaking glue on my lips. But let's see if they prove me wrong, because I mean they kind of have already. Oh my god, this packaging is gonna freaking ow. I'm gonna go with the darkest pink shade. This one is the darkest one because I want to darken up my lips a little bit. This one is watermelon and melon lip gloss. Watermelon and melon, what a combo. Oh wow, that smells like straight up watermelon Jolly Rancher. Guys, that is not sticky at all. Dollarama did not just convince me to buy a freaking lip gloss from them. Guys, that feels amazing. Guys, you don't understand. I freaking hate cheap lip glosses because they're always so sticky. Is this even, yeah, it's a freaking lip gloss. It's not even like marketed as a lip oil or anything. Like, what the heck? Okay, the applicator sucks. Like, this is so tiny. It's like literally so hard to use. but I'm telling you guys, no stick. No stick at all. And it smells great. A little artificial, but it smells like watermelon candy. That was the most freaking surprising. I have such a vendetta against cheap lip glosses because they always feel like shit on my lips, and that's like the main problem with them, right? Because lip gloss is lip gloss, they're all shiny, whatever, but that feels amazing. Okay, these are a bomb. I'm gonna be using these. I'm not gonna lie, like I'm feeling myself a little bit. I gotta put on the earrings too. How different can this be from like Claire's or like Ardene's earrings? It's probably the same. Okay, I got my little silver hoops. They're thin hoops, but you know, they're dainty. She's dainty and pretty. We're kind of cute. That is so funny. Now I'm gonna try to style this pink scarf. I am not a fashion designer, so I've never done anything like this, but let's see if I can like, no. See if I can like wrap, like I'm like wrapping it like a towel. I mean, if I was just taking photos or something, like this is already a new shirt. Okay, I low-key don't know what to do with this. What if I wrapped it around me twice? Like, okay, like that kind of works. It's kind of shapeless and I kind of look like a blob, but it's also kind of cute, right? Like, I feel kind of like a fairy princess. Anyway, that is the look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I am very pleasantly surprised. The makeup, honestly, like, it looks good. Straight up, like... Why does she kind of eat? Why does she eat? I'm so mad. I'm so happy. The hoops, like, I feel like they're just the same as like Claire's or like Ardene's. I've never had a reaction from those earrings, so I probably won't have a reaction from these either. So just another pair of dainty hoops to my collection. The gloss literally feels amazing and smells good. It's 40 Canadian dollars. That's like, I don't know, like 30 US dollars. So yeah, this was a success. I could literally take photos and post them on Instagram right now and nobody would know. So this is your sign to buy makeup from the dollar store if you want, because it's actually not that much worse than other makeup and it's probably all bad for your skin anyway, so like, who cares? Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much if you've stayed this long, and please, please, please like, comment, and subscribe. I would appreciate you so, so much. We are almost at 10K, which is kind of cool. I'm kind of excited about that. So thank you. I love you. Bye, guys.